don't know, it's Shickaa Chung and I'm back at it again today with another video. You don't know, we are gonna get festive today. This is Vlogmas day 3 and I am making sorrel. So I'll be showing you guys how I make my sorrel for the holidays. If you guys are Jamaican or if you guys never knew, sorrel is a Christmas drink for people in the Caribbean, but I'm Jamaican, so I'm speaking for Jamaica. It's a festive drink that we do drink. It is made from hibiscus. So if you guys know the flower hibiscus, that is what sorrel is made from. It's a really nice red drink that we drink, and sometimes we put rum in it, we put liquor in it for you know, for get a buzz. So, and it tastes nice and it's full with ginger and a lot of spices. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make it, so stay tuned. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna start off by cutting up my ginger. So I'm just gonna cut it up into smaller bits. I already washed it already. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend this up so it's, you know, enriched in the sorrel, because the sorrel is not sorrel unless it have a nice gingery flavor, right? It need a nice spice. So that is what I am doing, just cutting it up fine pieces, and I'm not even gonna worry about trimming off the skin, because when we finish drying the sorrel, we have to strain it anyways. So don't worry about the skin being on it. So you guys can see, just chopping it up into smaller bits to make life easier for the blender. I love the scent of ginger. Ginger just smells really good to me, and you want these flavors in your sorrel. You want your sorrel. You want, when we take out the sorrel, you smell ginger, right? So if you make sure so the sorrel will ginger up. All right. So this is our sorrel. Sorry, this is our ginger that we have cut up. So now I'm gonna put it into the blender. So guys, I'm gonna put the ginger in the blender. So I have a half cup of water in here so that it's easy for the ginger to blend. So I'm just gonna drop the ginger in there. Yeah, sorrel are going nice. And in the meanwhile, I do have my pot like getting warm and not getting warm, but getting hot. So the sorrel and stuff can bubble in there. Turn it on. So I got my pot here bubbling. Guys, I also forgot to mention that I do add a cinnamon stick inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my cinnamon stick in there. I'm gonna drop a couple of pimento berries. And I'm gonna scoop the ginger and put it inside. Here's my ginger. I'm just gonna scoop it in there. It smells so nice. Just scoop it inside. Make sure you get everything down in the pot. Everything. Every last bit. So guys, this is the pot with the ginger all blend out, and you can see that ginger is definitely all through the water. So you don't know this sorrel is gonna be well gingery, right? So as you guys can see, the water is boiling, so I'm just gonna go on ahead and add in sorrel. So I'm adding in 2 packs. Pack. And now I'm just gonna mix it. You guys can already see the red flavor appearing. I'm just gonna wipe off the side because when the ginger boiled up, it went on the pot, so I want to ensure that that's in the pot so I get the maximum ginger flavor. Yeah, see, it already has the red. So I just locked off the stove. So right now I'm gonna make this sit down for 24 hours. So tomorrow I will finish up this sorrel recipe. Okay guys, so this is about 24 hours after. So it's all steeped and dry and everything, and you can smell the spices. So I'm gonna show you guys what to do next. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm back at it today. So I showed you guys that the sorrel did dry already. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be straining it, and then I'm gonna sweeten it, add my little rum, you know. I have to add the little, you know, the niceness, the little razzle dazzle and stuff. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. Started already. Okay, so I'm gonna strain it right now. So I'm using this strainer. Oh, scope. Guys, look at that red. Nice Christmas sorrel, ready for drink. Okay, it's not ready yet. It has to be sweetened and diluted. Make sure that everything drains out. Make sure all the juices drain out. So I'm gonna add 2 cups of water into here to dilute it. Let me just grab my spoon. Yeah. And then I'm gonna add about a cup of rum. Actually, no, I'm not gonna make it that much. We're not gonna get drunk now. When it's near to Christmas, then we are gonna get drunk. But for the beginning of December, I'm not gonna turn over yet. So I'm gonna add like probably a half cup of rum, because I'm not trying to turn over. Yeah? So that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, so guys, I wanted to use my rum bar gold, but it's giving me problem. I cannot open the bottle, so I'm just gonna go in with good old Wray and Nephew. So with this, I'm not putting no half cup. I'm just gonna put a little razzle dazzle in it. I'm not even gonna measure it, but it's just a little bit. You know, this liquor is very strong, so that's all. Like that's it. that even sounded like that was a bit too much. Alright, so let me just have to store that up. And you can smell the rum in it. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, we're getting drunk. I'm just gonna have a little taste just to see if that's okay before I sweeten it up. So you can't really taste. Actually, I lied, I do taste the liquor. It's a little razzle dazzle. So now I'm gonna add my sugar in there. I'm gonna add about a cup of sugar. So I am going in with a cup of sugar. Hopefully this would be able to work. If not, you can add more sugar. So as I said, this is a cup. Adding that in. Sometimes I like to use brown sugar, but we only have white sugar right now. Or that's what I could find at the moment. So you wanna make sure that you mix it until the sugar dissolves. Okay guys, so as you guys seen, I was putting the sorrel into the jug. I don't know, I was recording and it never caught me when I was saying that I had to end up putting extra sugar into the sorrel mix. I ended up using 3 cups of sugar, so I sweetened it to my desired taste. So yeah, honestly, this is the sorrel. This is my cup. I'm gonna take a taste. Cheers! Refreshing, very refreshing. I feel like Christmas. I just need a slice of rum cake and there's ice in my cup. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share with your mother, no father, no sister, no brother, no uncle, and everybody. And see you in the next video. Bye.